Effective home remedies for PCOS. PCOS, are known as Stein-Leventhal syndrome, is one of the most common hormonal disorder that women are facing today. It is becoming more and more common these days. It is a common condition related to a hormonal imbalance in women of reproductive age. Researchers have also linked insulin to PCOS because many women with this condition also have too much insulin in their bodies. It is due to high levels of androgens in the body. Women with PCOS have also been found to have low-grade inflammation contributing to insulin resistance. The exact cause of PCOS, however, is still unknown. Yet genetics is considered an important factor as PCOS seem to run in families. The condition leads to issues like changes in menstrual cycle, cysts on the ovaries, and problems getting pregnant. Symptoms: infrequent menstrual periods, excessive facial and body hair growth, weight gain, acne, oily skin, thinning hair, male pattern baldness, and pelvic pain. Surprisingly, there are a huge percentage of women who are going through this disorder and also fighting it back. Here are some home remedies which can be found in your kitchen. Most effective home remedies for PCOS. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most easily advisable ingredients at home, and it is a great home remedy for PCOS. You can consume up to 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil every day, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and insulin secretion. Cinnamon. Cinnamon supplementation can help to improve menstrual cycle in women with PCOS. In some studies, it shows that journal Fertility and Sterility indicates that herb can help to reduce insulin resistance in women with PCOS. So try to consume cinnamon powder to a glass of hot water and drink for a few months until you are satisfied with the results. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek, or commonly known as methi, is one of the most helpful home remedies for PCOS. Fenugreek helps in stabilizing the insulin level and glucose tolerance, so excessive testosterone as insulin level secreted by pancreas is not utilized by tissues in the body. For this, soak 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight in water and have it thrice a day. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for dealing with PCOS because it helps to control blood sugar and keeps your body from producing too much insulin. Less insulin means less testosterone. It will help you lose weight and improve your overall health. For this, mix 2 teaspoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it daily morning before meals and continue for several weeks. Conclusion: by following above home remedies, we can get rid of PCOS, which is a common problem facing by women in the age of 18 to 44. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.